I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do a new review with you guys. Now I actually purchased this product about 6 months ago, so I think it was back in January when I purchased this product, and I actually just recently found it. You know, I'm a mom, I forget where I put stuff. I actually purchased this product on Amazon like I normally do. Stop judging me, just stop, okay? I can't help it. I should be a spokesperson for Amazon, honestly, because as much products that I purchased from Amazon. But we're not gonna talk about that. It's $24.95 online right now, and what it is it is a pore tightener, and it's also supposed to lift your skin. It's a 8-in-1 full face treatment mask, and the product that I am talking about is the Zombie Pack Activator Kit that also has egg powder. So this comes with 8 zombie packs, 8 zombie pack activators, and then it actually comes with its own brush, so I appreciate that. Put these two items together, and then you put it on your face, and after 15 minutes it'll start to like really dry. You're supposed to look a little cray, and then it's supposed to tighten the pores and lift your face. I'm excited about trying it, but I'm also very nervous because I've been using Medicubes, Zero Pore Pads, and the Super Cica. You guys are probably getting tired of me talking about it, but I have really good skin right now. So anytime I put new product on my face, it makes me very nervous because something I found has actually been working. But I'm just a ballsy chick, so I'm just gonna do it. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. And if we need to, we'll just order some more Medicube Zero Pore Pads. You know. So we're just gonna take one off. And it honestly feels like there's nothing in here. Oh, I hear it, but I'm like, this is like real light. Pretty cool because it's like small items that you can technically take with you if you were going like, I guess on vacation, which is nice because nobody wants to take all their like skincare. I could put this, my Medicube, a couple other things, that'd be good to go. So I'm excited. It's just dry. Oh, it actually smells really nice. Whatever you do, don't inhale it. All right, and then this is the Zombie Pack Activator. All right, so you put the activator into, okay, that's very liquidy. And I just got it on my phone. Yay. So I've mixed both of the products together, and now I'm a little worried because it's not as thick as I was thinking it was gonna be, but we'll see. So, oh, they don't smell very good after they're combined, but I can definitely smell the egg. If you guys have an issue with egg smells, this may not be the product for you, because I can definitely smell the egg. And I'm just trying to make sure that I'm getting a even consistency. I do like the brush with it. It's very nice. I have a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna bring it down a little. But that is it, guys. So now I'm gonna put the timer on for 15 minutes because it says to do a 15-minute timer. So. And I will say already, it has like a tingling sensation. It is starting to dry already. So I made sure that I mixed it in really good. So I'm already starting to feel around my lips and around my chin that it's starting to harden already. So I'm like, oh wow, this stuff like works real quick. But it said 15 minutes, so we just gonna see. So this is right now. Alright, guys. It is almost, I think, 3 minutes left, and I cannot move my face. I can't even laugh. It's so tight. Okay. If I had to compare this to something else, I would probably compare it to the calendula, because that's a peel-off mask. This one, you just wash your face after instead of peeling it. But the intensity of how tight my face is pretty close to that. I can't even laugh right now. Oh. I'm legit trying to laugh and I can't. Oh god, I'm seeing myself all like crazy. Oh god. This is horrible. This is great but horrible at the exact same time. So I'm wondering if you go like this. I'm like old as hell. Oh wow. And then it like cracks. Oh. You guys see that? I still can't move my face completely. Hey! I got some movement back in my mouth. Oh yeah. We have less than 41 seconds left. I'm able to take it off. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. Apply toner after use. And the timer just went off. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. So this side of my face is completely cleaned with warm water. So that's a reason why my face is red. But it also was just the fact that it took a little bit of like pressure trying to get it off. So what I did is I sat the warm water washcloth on my cheek and everything, and then let it sit for a second and then rubbed it off. So this is the side that still has it on, and then this is the side that I just finished. Now I am using the toner. This is my face after removing the zombie pack. After it hardened and I started to push on it, it started to loosen up on my face, so I appreciated that. Now, I will say it was kind of hard for me to take off. It does say on here to use warm water, and I did that, and I actually had to kind of put a lot of pressure because I just couldn't get it off. So that's also another reason why my face is like this. It's not burning, it's not tingling or anything like that. So I'm not as worried with that part, but I did have to work a little bit harder to get it off my face. Do I think it's a cool concept? Yeah. Do I actually feel like it tightened my face? No, I don't. The only time I felt that my face was tightened when it was actually drying, and then other than that, I didn't feel any tightening, and now that I have it off my face kind of feels the same as it did before we even started. I still have 7 more, so don't worry. I'm still going to try all 7 and just kind of test it out, see if it's something that I would even, maybe buy again. I know that there's a couple of people, who really like it. They say that it works. They see some really good results. And I mean, my face is red right now, so it's kind of hard for me to see anything besides the redness, and my skin is slightly irritated, but it's probably just because I had to go like this to kind of get the mask off. You guys have tried this, let me know. Again, this is the zombie pack I got off of Amazon. It comes with 8 zombie packs and then 8 zombie pack activators. Do you like the fact that you just put the 2 products together in here and then you use the brush and then you mix it together, so it's kind of less maintenance that you have to do with that. So I like the fact that it came with a brush. I like that you get more than just 1 or 2. That's pretty cool. Do I think it's worth the price of $24.97 on Amazon? No, I don't. I think it's a little high for this, but then again, you know, I don't know. Some people may say that it's worth the price. Me personally, I think it's a little bit more expensive than I would probably want to purchase this for. But again, I'm definitely going to try all 7. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!
You are the stranger in the corner on the second